Introducing Yugo Globe Works, where classic modern meets upscale living in Birmingham. Whether you're seeking a cozy ensuite or a bustling studio apartment, this is the perfect spot for you. Step into these meticulously designed studios and ensuite rooms, promising a lavish student experience like no other. Sink into the inviting common room, where high-speed Wi-Fi fuels both scholarly endeavors and online retail therapy. When you need a break, hit the on-site gym or challenge your new pals to a ping-pong showdown. Or if you prefer a chill night in, gather around the communal TV for a match or cozy up in the cinema room for a movie marathon. And when self-care calls, our regular well-being events are here to soothe your soul. Situated just a stone's throw away from prestigious institutions like the University of Birmingham and Aston University, your academic pursuits are closer than ever. But wait, there's more. For foodies and social butterflies alike, an array of dining options awaits just steps from our doorstep. From the laid-back vibes of Empress Bar and Grill to the chic elegance of modern restaurant and cafe, culinary delights are never far away. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream stay at amberstudent.com today.